What's good, hood y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Alright guys, in today's video it's going to be a little bit different from what I normally do. It is going to be a mini tutorial for y'all. You already see what it is. I'm going to show you guys how I put cool effects to my videos, alright? This tutorial will be on Filmora 9. You guys have that, follow my steps. If not, sorry about that guys. But anyways, let's go. So I got my Filmora up right now. Don't mind my other projects that I am doing. I already downloaded one of those effects that I wanted, which is the money falling background, whatever things. Yeah, you're gonna take that, drag it in, and also I have an extra clip already just to show you guys how it looks like. What you want to do is you grab your video that you want. All right, so you're gonna put that video right there, which is gonna be like this. Haha. All right, and now for this, all you gotta do is just go onto YouTube and then look for the effects that you like, or the effects that you want for your video, and you just download that, drag it onto here. What I went with is the money falling background. You can also put like green screen on the back and stuff like that. So yeah, once you get that, you put it in there, so it's gonna look like that, right? So when you play it back, all you see is that one. So what you want to do is you take the effect video and you put it on top of your main video, and once you're done with that, then you go here, double click it, and go to chroma key right there, and it's gonna be green already. If not, then you just go to select color, go to green, and just like that, you can see my face now with some money falling. But we're not done yet, all right? You want to clean it up a little bit more. You want to make it look more presentable, all right? So you can go to edge feather and just mess around with that. And you see how if I pull all the way up, you can see the money kind of fades away a little bit. So you don't want that. You want to pull it down a little bit, just like that, like so. Sometimes if the money doesn't look right, it's because of the effect video itself. There's no other way unless you get one that's like super HD, high definition and stuff like that. You can mess with the edge thickness. You see how, you see how the border lines are like white and stuff like that. So you can minimize down a little bit just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And for tolerance, this is the one where you want to mess with. You see how earlier everything was like light like this. Now you can make it more, like your video. So you kind of hide that away a little bit. Bam, that looks pretty good to me. Offset, I forgot what offset is. Oh, okay, offset makes it a little bit more dark or light. You see that? So you see that the money looks kind of like blurry in a way. Oh man, can't really help that unless, like I said, you download a better version of it. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And then once you're done with that, you click OK. Let's bring that all the way back and then check it out. Whoa, what? That's clean. All that money flying in the air. Woo! Yeah guys, hopefully you guys liked that video. If this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button.
Smash.
Subscribe to your homie for more videos. I would definitely share with you guys for all you upcoming content creator or whatnot, all that good stuff. So yeah, I got your back, homies. Other than that, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. Let's go, baby.